Mabuhay! Tour guiding is more than simply leading people from one place to another. It is a professional process that begins long before the tour starts and continues even after it ends. Before the tour, preparation is essential. A tour guide must research the destination thoroughly, learning about its history, culture, and attractions. Planning the itinerary, checking transportation, considering safety, and understanding the needs of the tourists are all important tasks. Good preparation helps the guide feel confident and ensures the tour runs smoothly. During the tour, the guide becomes link between the visitors and the destination. Clear communication, engaging storytelling, and a friendly attitude help bring places to life. The guide must manage time, keep the group safe, and respond to questions or unexpected situations. By being professional, flexible, and culturally sensitive, the guide creates a positive and memorable experience for the tourists. After the tour, the guide's work is not yet finished. Reflecting on the tour, collecting feedback, and identifying areas for improvement are important for personal and professional growth. Guides may also complete reports and continue learning to improve future tours. In conclusion, successful tour guiding involves careful preparation, effective delivery, and thoughtful follow-up. When all three stages are done well, tour guides help create meaningful experiences and lasting impressions for travelers.